So as promised, I am going to do a makeup look using my assorted candy eye candy palette by the Candy Lady. This palette, yes, by the Candy Lady. Yeah, this yes, the Candy Lady. Yeah, this palette has so many beautiful colors. Like, huh? Yeah, got a lot of beautiful colors. Move, okay? Sometime, as you can see, I have already done my brows, okay? And before I get started with the eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids using some concealer. Y'all, look at this, y'all. Like, I barely touched butterscotch. Like, I think I used too much. I don't know, but we about to see. But by the way, this is a blending brush by the Candy Lady as well. Alright guys, so I think that's about what I'm gonna do for my lids, my eyes. So the colors that I used again, I start off with butterscotch, and then I went in with grape, and then I cut my crease, and I went in with cotton candy, and then gumball. And then in my outer crease, yeah, shush. And in my outer crease, I topped it off with chocolate. So, yeah. And now I am going to finish this look, and I will come back with the final results. Okay. Put it down. Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial using my assorted eye candy palettes. Okay, I love these colors, y'all. So if you guys want to see another tutorial of me using different colors of this palette, make sure you comment below and let me know if you do or if you don't. That is gonna matter anyway. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and stay tuned, because I will definitely be doing more tutorials using this palette, because I mean the colors are so, like, I have so many options. Okay, and you know, I don't want to, you know, I can't wait to use this palette again, y'all. Okay. Alright, so I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.